In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an FAQ page on your Wix website. Adding a frequently asked questions section can greatly enhance the usability and navigation of your site by addressing common inquiries directly for your visitors. So, let's get started. First, you need to access the Wix website editor. This is your hub for all things related to your website's design and function. Once you're in the editor, look for the option to add apps. Adding apps can enhance your website's functionality by integrating tools and features that might not be available by default. Next, you'll want to type Wix FAQ into the search bar. This helps you locate the specific app you need for creating your FAQ page. Searching for the Wix FAQ app will pull up the options you need to create a comprehensive and organized information section on your website. Once you see the Wix FAQ app in your search results, click on it. This initiates the process where you can view more details about the app and how it functions. By clicking on it, you open the avenue to additional resources that explain features, user reviews, and other pertinent information about the app you're adding. After understanding what the Wix FAQ app offers, go ahead and add it to your site by clicking on Add to Site. This integrates the FAQ app into your website framework, allowing you to start building your FAQ section immediately. Now that the app is added, your next move is to click on the Settings. Here's where the customization begins. The settings will allow you to tailor the app's behavior and layout to suit your specific website needs. You have the freedom to adjust how your FAQ section functions, making it fit seamlessly with the rest of your site. Heading over to the Display section, this is where you set the tone for your FAQ content. In the display settings, you can manipulate how your questions and answers are presented. Options including text fonts, colors, and heading styles, ensuring your FAQ section maintains consistent branding with the rest of your site. Next, let's explore the layout options. This area offers configurations for arranging how each question and answer appear on the page. You can opt for a compact or expanded list, choose to have collapsible answers, and so forth. These tweaks are crucial in defining how user-friendly your FAQ page will be. Finally, design becomes the last piece of the puzzle. Clicking on Design provides another layer of customization, allowing for aesthetic modifications such as border styles, background designs, and other visual enhancements. By utilizing these tools, you can ensure that your FAQ page isn't just informative but also visually appealing. By following these steps, you've successfully added a functional and stylish FAQ page to your Wix website, enhancing user experience by quickly providing answers to common questions. Explore these options, and you'll find that crafting the perfect FAQ page is only a few clicks away. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.